sweating all over the place, man. What's going on, YouTube? This is day 2 of this month. Me posting my POV drives. I was gonna post yesterday. I recorded for yesterday, but when I recorded, I posted it in time lapse. So like it was like going super fast. The videos were like maybe 9 minutes long each for yesterday, but they were like 12 seconds and they were like sped up. So I was like, damn. I'm gonna try to recover the information, the video. I don't know how to, but I think there's like a lot of, I was watching like videos on how to like recover the video, and there was like a dude, he was telling me how to go to the laptop, connect the camera to the laptop, go to a file, download an app. I was like, bro, what the heck? Jeez. But yeah, man, it's Sunday. Had church this morning, getting ready for the week. What is that? Is that a M56? Something like that. I just have an M45. Man, that M45 was so nice. Had a V8. Bro, look at this. Oh damn. I feel naked. I need to start hitting the gym. I know I was gonna start hitting the gym next week, cause I have no school on next week cause of 4th of July. So I was gonna really like try to lock in. I roll the windows up. I tried rolling here and there roll the windows down, but I did get a comment saying that, you know, you can't hear nothing with the windows out. So I'm gonna keep the windows up so y'all can like maybe somewhat actually hear the car a little better, or the intakes. Yeah, man. Sunday, back to work tomorrow. Luckily though, thankfully, I got Friday off because it's 4th of July. So, you know, the company clutched up to let us have that day off. So it's just gonna be Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Some slide, no school either. It's gonna be a good week. I know it. It's been raining a lot lately in Georgia. A lot of rain. Yeah, man. Let's see if there's any cars out that want to, you know, play around with me. Bruh, I could never find. Got a phone call. Hold on, man. Let me make sure. Hold on. Let me see this camera off my head. Bro, this better not be in time lapse. I'm gonna be so tight. Okay, we're good. We're not in time lapse. Bro, I was about to stop. Bro, I was about to get so mad. Not mad, but you know. Bro, come on now. I can't. Same thing. It can't happen twice. This guy's driving slow. But I'm telling you, like, once you hit, like, bro, I've never driven a car like a fast Honda that got VTEC in it, but I wonder if that's how it feels. Like once you hit like 50, bro, 60, when you're like about to go into that next gear, bro, you just feel like a sudden pull back. Damn, bro, hold on. Oh my goodness, man. My family is so, what's the word? Complicated. I never really understood these. I wish the Q50s they had like you can see your oil temps and like all the other temps or fluids, but I guess they want to show me my fuel consumption, how much fuel I'm using. I guess that matters, right? My G-force, how many lateral G's I'm getting. If you play Forza, you know. If you know, you know. Going north. It looks cool, but honestly, it's just fine. It's nothing like. You see, if it had like my actual like temps, I was scratching my leg. My leg was itchy. That looked bad. If it had like my actual like fuel temp, like, bro, what am I saying? My actual temps of like my oil, my transmission, and all of that, bro, that'd be fire. You see, that's like actually useful. I think BMW has something like that where like you can monitor your temps because usually like when I first start my car, or you know, for anybody else that has a VR30, like when I start my car, I'll probably for like a good 5 to 10 minutes. I would try not to go over 40. But it sounds like I'm such. It sounds like I give like my driving habits. It sounds like I give it such a strict schedule, like, or like list of rules to follow. But I don't know, man. You're not gonna catch me spending thousands of dollars. Yeah, no. If my turbos were to go out, honestly, I wouldn't. How do I say this? I wouldn't mind it, but I would mind it. I wouldn't mind it, but I'd give myself a good day to be like, all right, whatever, and just get Z1 turbos. You know what I mean? But now, we're talking about the engine. Now that's another story. I'm gonna be tight. I'm gonna be upset. I got some new tires for the front. I need to put those on. I got brakes that came in. I need to put those on too. Oh, the Honda DZ want to play. I raced another Q50. I ain't gonna lie. Was it a 3.7? No, I think it was another 3.0. I was about to get. I was like, damn, bro, really? I think it was a Q50. I wasn't sure if it was a 3.7 or 3.0 because I mean, both when they're stock they sound mad quiet. I didn't really look at no emblems or anything. I just saw it was a Q50. But yeah, no, bro was low-key kind of. Actually, no. What am I talking about? Bro's like 2 cars behind. But in the beginning, he was like keeping up. He was keeping up in the beginning, but in the long run, like, not even in the long run, but like 2 seconds past him, like, past him. But like, from the get-go, bro kept up. I was like, damn. And I have all-wheel drive. You'd think I'd like get it, but my cousin, he got a 335D BMW. It's diesel. And we stay like pretty side to side. But I think he do give me in the long run. But like from a dig, I got him like easy, like gapped. Roll, we stay usually kind of like side by side. But doing a roll, I feel like in the long run, he will give me. But yeah, man, I hope y'all enjoying the POV. If y'all still watching, it's a beautiful day out. Tons of mosquitoes, man. I don't know why, but I wear a tank top. I don't know. It's mad. I mean, it's hot. It's hot, but mosquitoes, man. Oh, did I just get honked at? Who did that? You honked at me? I think it was that car is turning, man. Damn, bro. Like Sunday, man. I gotta lock in. I gotta mentalize. Tomorrow I got work. I got work all week. Ugh. Gotta lock in. Get your mind in the zone. Work zone. Honestly, bro, like after Monday, like once Tuesday come around, work is not that bad. I try to have a good balance of like work and me making videos. I know there's other YouTubers that I know there's a lot of, I'm pretty sure like a whole bunch of YouTubers, they still have like day jobs and record videos, you know what I mean? But I feel like me explaining my work, like my schedule, it could feel like more relatable, if that makes sense. Because I feel like a lot of YouTubers, they don't talk about like what they do, like either work-wise or like besides of what the channel's about. Because, you know, you got car guys, you got, I don't know, whatever, mukbangs, you know, they make these videos, but they don't really like say what they're actually doing on a day-to-day basis, like work, like, you know what I mean, like an actual, dang, bro, there's a car pulling. But that's a bad crash. But did y'all get what I'm trying to say? Like where you could actually relate to the person. I got work tomorrow, just like y'all. We are trying to make it, man. We beat it. Oh, we made it. We ate it. We made it. We ate it. want to try the Miller's Outhouse. If y'all live in the Lawrenceville, Snellville area, damn, I'm really putting my local address out there. No, well, I don't live in this area, but it's my metro area, you know what I mean? But yeah, no, it's a good state. No, what am I saying? I've never been there. I want to try it though. It sounds good. I've never really been to like an actual steakhouse. What is that? What's this Porsche? But yeah, man, I'm gonna cut the video here. If y'all did enjoy, like, subscribe, share the videos to your friends, and that'll mean a lot to me. We're like at 294. We're about to hit like 300. I feel like by the end of this week, I'm gonna keep posting consistently. By the end of this week, we will for sure have 300. I just know it. You know, you gotta speak stuff into existence. But yeah, man, I'll see you on the next video. Well, I'll see y'all tomorrow.